4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh my God, go! Stop that stuff down. Oh shit. South. We got it! You got him out of there? Hey Spaz, it's secure up here. Let the box take this out. Good time to go down, as long as we can get some. See any? Money bags, money bags, money bags. Money bags? No, here, we got Coke. Hey, make sure we have at least a couple posting up here. Yeah, we got one up here. Way in the back, way in the back. Right here, right here, right here. What's on the... Dead man, dead man! Dead man, raise the rifle! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Have you guys been watching the bottom at all? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did they get the upstairs? No, not yet. Come through! Good man, come through! I'm sorry. What do you want to call that? Want to call it a stalemate?
Friend, outside or friendly? I'm hit, don't shoot me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18, 19, 20. you see? What do you see?
We got 2 guys back through that way.
What's up? What's up? Hustle's all along the bottom. I could use you, man. Yeah, spaz on me, man.
I got 3 guys to take it up on the stairs.
All right, okay. Go.
Good shot. We got 1 up the left, so let's go. That spot. Where are you, Move back.
You alive?
Yeah.
Spaz back there?
Yeah, they're responding. We backed up.
Where's Spaz? You see Spaz back there?
Yeah. Is he the guy in black? Yeah.
Yeah.
He's back there.
All right, let's go help Spaz out. How far is he?
He's right by the front door.
All right, you want to come?
Here we go.
We got one guy, one of our guys way down there. I want to move in to help him out. Here, he's right there. No, he's our team,